Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a few essential checks so you get immediate feedback. First, make sure the camera is powered and not covered, and that it's in USB port 1 or the built-in device. Once done, close apps that commonly claim the camera, Skype, Zoom, or camera utilities, and reboot the machine to clear locks. Then open Google Meet, go to Settings, right arrow Video, and select the camera from the device list so you can see a live preview. Now you'll tackle software causes that block video. You need to check browser permissions. Go to Settings, Site Permissions, Camera, and allow Meet. Google.com, this is often the culprit. Next, update the camera driver or system camera app via Device Manager or System Update because outdated drivers cause freezes. If problems persist, switch browsers or create a new browser profile to rule out extensions. Also, finish by resetting the camera stack so Meet can access it reliably. Uninstall and reinstall the camera driver, or roll it back if a recent update caused the issue. For external webcams, unplug and replug to force redetection. Create a new user account or use an incognito window to isolate profile problems, and then join a quick test meeting to confirm video. If it still fails, try an external webcam or another device. This single troubleshooting step tells you if the problem is hardware versus software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.